It's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, author of the book, A Setback is a Setup for a Comeback. And today in this time of crisis, I want to give you tips to come back. There will be negative situations, people, places, and things in your life that just beg to be replaced. I say do them a favor and grant them their wish. Leave them alone. Replace the negative people, places, and things with positive people, places, and things. And you will move to a place of peace and purpose and passion. Make a positive decision to focus on the positive rather than the negative, because whatever you focus on longest will become strongest. So make the decision that you're going to focus on the positive and make the rest of your life the best of your life. God has so many great things that he wants for you, but you must stop getting yourself in a position where you're around negative people who will keep you from reaching your potential and your possibilities. So keep this in mind, that the rest of your life can be the best of your life, and choose to be positive and make a decision to win. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to winwithwillie.com and remember, your best is still yet to come.